Alright, so this is the Delta State marketing plan for the athletic building. Hello Lisa, good to see you again. It's all your favorite people. Dean Arnold, Donald Atley, Lamarcus Hudson, or Nisha Chapman. Am I right? I love it. So, this is our objective. The objective of the Delta State Athletic Commission is the objective of Delta State is to give the opportunity of collegiate level competition, the people that want to compete and or get a second chance in the sport, and those are the people that we need at this university. If you hear noises, we are in the third floor of the Union, so it gets a little rowdy up here sometimes. Who is it for? This is what we're asking. So Delta State Athletics is for a lot of people, but what we found out is our four major basis is junior college athletes, high school athletes, international athletes, and people who deserve a second chance in the sport because they might have gotten into some trouble at their previous school. And then we go into who benefits from it. First off, who benefits from the athletic program is the athletes, just because that is their respective field. Second, we have the local Chamber of Commerce. As you can see, Delta State is more than just a building at Delta State, the athletic complex is. We have Canon, automobiles, they sponsor a lot of events at Delta State, Noe Jose, and Under Armour. So that's how, and local businesses support them by giving meals like Lenny's, Noe Jose, like I said earlier. Then we go to the Citizens of Cleveland. This gives an awesome opportunity for people to come out and go to a game and boost the local economy through other inventory, through what they do at the games and what they buy. Fourth is the students of Delta State who get to go to the events and become more like together and build camaraderie with the university. So the students play a big role in the Delta State athletic complex. So we did a SWOT analysis early on about the Delta State athletic facility, and here's what we got. So the strength is a family environment, commitment. A lot of people that work in the offices and all the players in there are very committed to their job and what they have to do for Delta State. What we found out is a small town feel about the town of Cleveland and how the university is. We have amazing facilities at Delta State for the athletics, from our newly resurfaced tennis courts for the tennis team to even the new turf field for the football team, as well as the soccer team when they play out there. We also have a huge amount of diversity through Delta State, whether it be color, race, orientation, or what you believe in. We have all of that here at Delta State through our athletic program. Our weaknesses, what we found out, is exposure. Not a lot of people, we don't have as many people as Ole Miss or Mississippi State, just because where we are and what we offer. But if we have a good bit of camaraderie, we can come past that. School pride and support. A lot of kids go home on the weekends, and we want to change that. So we continued our SWOT analysis. As the opportunities we have championship winning programs with Todd Cooley. I don't know if you know him. And he has a championship program that he has. 2014 they won the conference championship. 2015 they won the conference championship, and they're going to win it some more times. Opportunities we have for second chance. It's athletes who want a second chance and continue the sport they love. And we also have growth. Growth is like even student athletes in there, or even graduate students who work under Matt Jones, Mike Kennison, and other athletics. They can grow through that. Threats is the competition. There's a lot of good people in the D2 division of West Georgia. The GSC, like West Georgia and West Florida and Valdosta. So Delta State, we're fighting for the top dogs in the conference. We have limited resources. Just with the money that we have, we can't really afford all that much. Even with resurfacing tennis courts to getting the proper stuff we need for the sports that aren't really marketed as much, like football and baseball. And we face better quality programs like other D2 schools that put a little bit more money into their athletic program. And this is our conclusion on how do we market to those people. We have social media advertisements. People can go across Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that, and they can find out about our school. Our recruitment can be a lot better through our athletes and student athletes coming in and talking to other people in their schools about how great Del State is and how they should join them. And we need to appeal to all types of athletes, people that need second chances and stuff like that, and junior college athletes, and also the high school students who haven't had that much exposure. Yeah, that's the word. And then we have athletic camps, high school athletes, middle school athletes, and even kids just coming out to the Delta and going to a baseball camp, tennis camp, cheer camp. They get to know all the facilities and what they have to offer. Then lastly, we just have basic ad campaigns, just because ads never hurt anyone. Ads win presidencies, and ads win attendance, especially through all the Delta State things that we have. In conclusion, the Delta State has come a long way with numbers and everything like that, but we do have a long way to go. So thank you for your time, and God bless you.